Hello students, I welcome to all of you to this session of fluid machinery. Dear students, myself Dhiraj Mandal, Assistant Professor JS College of Engineering. Today I am going to discuss about the differential hydraulic accumulator, and also we will be discussing about the hydraulic intensifier. Okay, so let us start. Before starting this discussion, let us discuss the homework which was given to you on the basis of the last lecture. Okay, you know that last couple of lecture I have taken where the hydraulic press discussed what is the function of hydraulic press, then hydraulic accumulator. Okay, so where we have seen that how hydraulic accumulator is operated and the capacity is equal to your pressure into volume. So basically it is the hydraulic accumulator is used to store the energy, and also it is that energy is supplied, stored energy in terms of pressure energy. This energy is supplied whenever it is needed to lift a particular body. Now the water is supplied at pressure 14 Newton per centimeter square. See, if this type for pressure is given, then the unit you need to change by in Newton per meter square. So 10 to the power 4 multiple by 10 to the power 4 you will be getting in terms of SI unit. Okay, now to an accumulator having a ram of diameter is given, ram diameter, if the total lip, that is your lip ram is your 8 meter, that is your stroke length is given, then determine the capacity of the accumulator and total weight placed on the ram. Okay, including the weight of the ram. So P is the pressure, intensity of pressure 14 into 4 Newton per meter square. D is the 1.5 meter diameter. Okay, and A is equal to 1 pi by 4 D square. L is given. Now capacity is equal to, we know that pressure into volume, and volume is equal to A into L. So pressure into A into L, so put all the value, you will be getting the capacity 1979.04 kilonewton meter. Now total weight placed on the ram, it is what? W is equal to P into A, because we know that pressure is equal to weight by area. So you can write P, you know, area you know, so you can find out 247380 Newton. That is the total weight placed on the ram. Okay, so this mass of weight you can lift. Okay, so this is the numerical. Next part is your hydraulic accumulator. Hydraulic accumulator, in this diagram you can see, very important for your exam point of view. So what is the function of hydraulic differential hydraulic accumulator? You can see this is your inlet pump where the compressed part here, your liquid is placed here, and by the help of this, that means what happened, this is your outlet, and this water is coming, whatever the liquid is coming here, and this is your moving cylinder, and this is your fixed cylinder. Okay, fixed cylinder, this one is your moving cylinder. So what happened, the water is, by the help of this pump, the pressurized liquid is coming into, entering into the system, and by the help of the, that means pressurized liquid, this part, as this is your moving cylinder, so here the pressure, high amount of pressure is exerted. As a whole, what happened, here is basically what load is placed, W amount of load is placed, and this is your moving part. So if some pressure is applied here, this is your fixed cylinder. Okay, and this is your ब्रश. ओके, ब्रश बुश बोलता है इसको. तो देखो क्या होता है, फिर से समझो. तो क्या हो रहा है, इनलेट पाइप पंप से क्या हो रहा है, ये वाटर लिक्विड, प्रेशराइज लिक्विड जा रहा है. इस टाइम ये क्लोज रहेगा. ठीक है, अब ये जब प्रेशराइज करेगा तो यहाँ पर ये जो लिक्विड यहाँ पर आके फिर प्रेशराइज करेगा, प्रेशराइज लिक्विड, तो ये ऊपर तक जाएगा ना. अब ये जो लोड है ऑटोमेटिकली ये इट विल मूव अप, बिकॉज दिस इज योर मूविंग cylinder, clear, and this is your fixed cylinder. So according to our need, we can place a particular object in a certain height or we can place, and that means downward or upward direction you can easily place the object. Okay, so I think it is clear. Basically the differential accumulator, it is a device in which the liquid is stored at high pressure. Okay, so liquid is stored at high pressure by a comparatively small load on the ram. Okay, on the ram. Okay, it consists of fixed vertical cylinder of small diameter as shown in figure. The fixed vertical cylinder is surrounded by closely fitted brass. This is your closely fitted brass. Okay, this fixed vertical plate is surrounded by this closely fitted brass, and this is your moving plate. Okay, that means this brass which is surrounded by an inverted moving cylinder. This is your inverted moving cylinder. Clear? Having a circular projected collar. Having a circular projected collar at the base on which weight are placed. This is your collar. Here the object or the particular your whatever desired object, it is placed, and by the help of the pressurized liquid particle, this moving part is it is moving upward, so we will be getting what happened, it is moving upward as well. Okay, so I think it is clear. Now let us come to the next slide. You can see here P is the small p is the intensity of pressure of the liquid supplied by pump. Small a is the area of the brush brush bush. L is the vertical lift of the moving cylinder. Okay, vertical lift of the moving cylinder. W is what? Total weight placed on the moving cylinder including the weight of the cylinder. Now we know that P is equal to W by A. So W is equal to P into A. So P is equal to W by pressure, weight by area. Okay. Now what we need to find out? Basically total energy stored in accumulator is equal to total weight into vertical lift, isn't it? Again I am telling you, P is equal to W by A. I think here there is not any kind of confusion, because this weight is lifted, and by the help of this area is your area of the brush bush is equal to what? Small a. So P by W by A, force per unit area, that is your pressure. So I think it is clear. Now if I calculate, that means it is very clear that pressure intensity can be increased with a small load W, isn't it, by making area A. Okay, so now the total energy is stored in the accumulator. Whatever that means कितना total energy stored होगा accumulator. So weight तो है आपका है, into vertical lift, कितना lift हुआ L. So W into L is the total energy stored. ठीक है, यही बस यहाँ पर बताया गया. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखो हाइड्रोलिक इंटेंसिफायर, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हाइड्रोलिक इंटेंसिफायर. तो आई होप इट इज क्लियर. डिफरेंशियल हाइड्रोलिक accumulator, W into L is the total energy stored in the accumulator, and pressure is the W by A. Okay, weight by area. Now hydraulic intensifier, basically in this diagram you can see this is your hydraulic intensifier. Here you will see this is your, you can see this is your fixed cylinder. Okay, this is your supply of water from low, that means here the low pressure water is supplied. This is your high pressure water zone. This is your fixed ram. This is your sliding cylinder. Clear? Now by the help of this sliding cylinder, whatever the desired work is done, you can see here. Basically the device used to increase the intensity of pressure of water by means of hydraulic energy available from a large amount of water at low pressure. Again I am telling you what happened here. So from the supply this water is coming. Now it is low pressure zone. Low pressure water is pressure is applied here. As it is applied here, isn't it? So what happened? This pressure is applied here. So what happened? This is your sliding cylinder, na? This is your sliding cylinder. This cylinder is moving downward, and as this is a fixed ram, so this part here high pressure zone will be created, because this part is moving downward and this part is moving upward. This is not moving upward, as this is moving downward, this area, this confined area, it is basically changing its shape. That means the volume here, basically whatever the volume here right now, if I am applying some force here, pressure force here, then the স্লাইডিং সিলিন্ডার ইট ইজ মুভিং ডাউনওয়ার্ড, বোঝা গেল? তো স্লাইডিং সিলিন্ডার নিচের দিকে যদি চলে আসে, इफ दिस स्लाइडिंग सिलेंडर ये अगर नीचे मतलब जो स्लाइडिंग सिलेंडर ये अगर नीचे आता है, तो क्या ये एरिया जो है, ये वॉल्यूम जो है ये घट जाएगा, दैट एरिया विल बी मिनिमाइज्ड, इजंट इट? सो दैट द हाई प्रेशर जोन विल बी क्रिएटेड. एम आई राइट? So that is why it is that means I can say that the device used to increase the intensity of pressure of water by means of hydraulic energy available from a large amount of water at a low pressure. Clear? It is called hydraulic intensifier. Clear? Hydraulic intensifier बुझा है नहीं? Again I am telling you. From the supply the low pressure water is coming into the system. এবার এটা হচ্ছে কি, this is your 6 cylinder, this one is, দিস ইজ ইউর স্লাইডিং সিলিন্ডার, দিস ওয়ান ইজ ইউর ফিক্সড র্যাম. তাহলে র্যাম কী করে? র্যামিং করবে না? র্যাম বলতে এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি, এটা হচ্ছে র্যাম, এটা হচ্ছে, এটা যদি মুভ করে তাহলে অ্যাকচুয়ালি সিলিন্ডারটা মুভ করছে, সিলিন্ডার ইজ মুভিং বাই দ্য হেল্প অফ দিস লো প্রেশার ওয়াটার. দ্য সিলিন্ডার ইজ মুভিং ডাউনওয়ার্ড, সো দিস ভলিউম উইল বি মিনিমাইজড, so that this pressure inside the that means that pressure energy will be created here, and that pressure energy is taken into consideration, and by the help of that high pressure water we can move any object easily according to our need. Okay, so this is the function, and here basically exhaust, low pressure water from supply, high pressure water to machine. Okay, so this is the function. I think it is clear. This device is needed when hydraulic machine such as hydraulic press requires water at very high pressure which cannot be obtained from the main supply directly. Okay, that is why it is needed. Okay, so and it is consisting of the fixed ram through which the water under a high pressure flows to the machine, a hollow inverted cylinder. This is your hollow inverted cylinder. So fixed ram, hollow inverted cylinder, it consists of fixed ram and hollow inverted cylinder containing water under high pressure is mounted over the fixed ram, and the inverted cylinder, a sliding cylinder, is surrounded by fixed inverted cylinder. This is your fixed, you can see this is your fixed inverted cylinder. Clear? Surrounded by the fixed inverted cylinder which contains the water from the main supply at a low pressure. Okay, you can see here. Now let us consider let us consider P is the intensity of pressure of water from supply to the fixed cylinder, that means low pressure water. Okay, P, small p, and area is the external area of the sliding cylinder. Small a is the area of the end of the fixed ram. Okay, and P star is the intensity of pressure of water in the sliding cylinder, that means in the high pressure zone. Okay, so that we can write, that means the force by low pressure water on the sliding cylinder in the downward direction is what? Force is equal to pressure into area. Pressure is the force per unit area, so force is equal to pressure into area. Now in case of the if I want to calculate the force exerted by the high pressure water, this is your for low pressure water, and for the high pressure water sliding cylinder in downward direction, P star into A. So mathematically this equation is equal, isn't it? Because same amount of, if I am applying some pressure force here, and again some changes are there, so pressure force will be same, na? So P star will be P into, so pressure will not be the same, but the pressure force will be same, na? Here basically P star is equal to P into A by A. So that is the mathematical expression. So I hope it is clear. Now based on this, let us solve a numerical. You can one more thing I want to say, that you can type the animation of hydraulic intensifier. You will see how it is working. In this lecture it is not, I am not able to show it. এটা হাইড্রোলিক অ্যাকুমুলেটর একটু সার্চ করে নেবে ইউটিউবে, অ্যানিমেশন পার্ট দেখলেই তুমি বুঝতে পারো কীভাবে এটা মুভ করছে, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, নাও the diameter of fixed ram and fixed cylinder of an intensifier are diameter given small d and capital D. So small area, capital area, you can find out. Pressure, if the pressure of the water supplied to the fixed cylinder 300 Newton per centimeter square. Very important. Pressure of the water supplied to the fixed cylinder বলেছে। fixed cylinder মানে হচ্ছে only small p. Find the pressure of the water flowing through the fixed ram. তাহলে fixed ram এর ওখানে p star আমরা বলেছিলাম, তাহলে p star is equal to, we know that p into p a by a. So put all the value, will be getting 1875 Newton per centimeter square. That is the answer. Okay, that means for the in the high pressure zone, what is the pressure you need to find out. This is the end of the video. I think it is clear now. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel DMS Study Center, and press the bell icon to get notification for my every single video. And to get this PDF file, you need to join my Telegram channel, that is your GK by Dhiraj sir. Okay, thank you for listening. Jai Hind.